whenever a case first comes to the firm, the focus is always on what will it be like at the end? How will it turn out at trial? We don't take cases with the idea of settling them or stopping them somewhere along the way. Any case that we take that comes through our doors, we take with the idea that we are going to try this case to the very end. You're taught in law school. You're taught as a trial attorney. You're taught every step of the way. Never ask a question you don't know the answer to. You can't allow yourself to be surprised at trial, because under the pressure of the lights and being there in front of a jury, things will always happen that you don't anticipate. So, it's the make or break of the case is your preparation. You need to know what are all the potential issues. You need to know, what are the potential liabilities with respect to your client. You need to know what the liabilities are with the judge you're dealing with. You need to know the liabilities of the jurors you're dealing with, what their backgrounds, what their likes and dislikes are going to be. The same thing with the defense attorney, with all the years of experience that we have in the industry. We know the defense attorneys just about most of the times who we're going to meet, what their strengths are, where they're going to fail, where you can drive that wedge between them and the jury. We all know that in the firm that when any one of us are on trial, we are all on call 24/7. And we accept it. It's part of what we do for our clients. And there was a very serious case on trial with Phil Rosati, brain damage baby case, and he was on trial up in Westchester, and an issue had come up during trial that he wanted a particular edition, particular chapter of a particular pediatric emergency medicine textbook. That he gave me a call, and then I used my connections in the medical profession from having represented doctors for over 15 years to get through to a doctor friend of mine who was at Cornell Medical and just was on call that night and was able to walk over to the library and Xerox that chapter. And in a snowstorm, I drove through the snow to get that chapter from him so I could get that chapter to Phil so he could work with his pediatric expert so he could be able to cross-examine more effectively the next day one of the defendant's experts. And that's what we do.